Crystal meditation for stress reduction balance. Your mind runs out, your body refuses to switch off. You want calm that answers when you call. You show the hub decisive and discerning. This is how leaders try their state. I'm Dr. Hans, holistic doctor at Templum Diane. I help hundreds of thousands each year build a steady calm. Don't miss the next lesson, so click like and follow now. Social cycles script your day without asking. Status games sell you urgency dress as opportunity. Manipulative groups trade intimacy for obedience. You feel watched, compare and quite cornered. Stories set the tempo, you try to keep up. Sleep fragments, morning start foggy and flat. Your nervous system is stuck on alert. Your hormones echo the noise you keep. Impulse clicks spill into your budget. Attention taxes add up like hidden fees. Rushed yeses cost more than you notice. Chaos is expensive. Calm compounds. Let's cut the noise with precision. Simple, elegant, and repeatable. Once crystal, one sentence, one broad pattern. 3 anchor moments every day. Touch anchor attention in the body. Slow exhale shift the nervous system toward calm. Clear words stir choices in real time. Ritual turn choices in automatic behavior. Choose a smooth stone you enjoy holding. Place it where decisions actually happen and write one present tense sentence. Say, I act with calm precision today. Inhale 4, hold 2, and exhale 6. Repeat for 3 slow cycles while holding the stone. Set the crystal downward and side. Return to work with clear attention. Anchor 1. After walking before message. Anchor 2. Before your first deep walk block. Anchor 3. Lights out before sleep. If nights stay noisy, add a noon reset. Alessia, for example, 45, founder live a hot call for years. She added amethyst and 3 breaths before calls. In 21 days is her evening exhale. She negotiated with grace instead of speed. Marina, executive on global call but under stress. Claire Katz sat by her laptop as a focus cue. Her paint cooled, delivered draws. Clarity replaced the itch to click. Do not collect 10 stones. Master only 1. Do not stack 5 goals. Keep 1 sentence. Do not form scroll, breath and retard. Elegance but drama every time. If you feel nothing, slow the exhale to 7 or 8. If morning felt numb, move the ritual earlier. If nights run low, practice lying down. If focus sleeps, touch the stone for 1 breath. Your state is your strategy. Try it and your week obeys. Calm is not luck, it's a skill. You build one a cue at a time. Track a daily calm score from 1 to 10. Track impulse by urges and minutes to fall asleep. Review weekly, adjust the exhale or timing. Keep what works, delete what does not. Crystals are tools, not trophies. Use them to design your day. You keep authority, you chose the input. Input change, output follow. Inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6. Twice, let the shoulders drop. Notice the room widen, decide your next move slowly. Link in bio, get the guided relaxation amphipree today. Tomorrow, unlock the free meditation course. It takes less time than a pizza. It pays you back in steadiness. 1 crystal, 3 breaths, your rules. Count first, then everything else. Return your anchors. Wake, fist work, lights out. Repeat daily until rhythm carry you. When pressure spike, pause and touch the stone. Left breath shows the tone before words do. When doubt appear, keep the sentence simple. Clarity, low, short lines, and slow high. When you sleep, do not explain. Return and continue. Resilience is the heart of resuming without drama. Shape the room. Favor tabs, softer light, visible crystal. Make the calm the default, not the exception. Sign off from a steady body. Say yes only when the path stays low. Balance is not stillness, it's a responsive control. Your ritual teaches the response you prefer. Guard your morning from other people's priorities. Give yourself free breath before you give an answer. Build a boundary you can keep in 10 seconds. Touch, breath, speak and move on. Let beauty help you focus. Choose a stone you actually love to see. Plan exactly where the crystal lives at home and to work. Consistent but intensity every time. Set calendar reminder for anchor moments. Make the ritual too easy to skip. Take 1 week, then 1 month. Watch the curve bend toward calm.